everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, tasty and healthy wheat murukku. It's not only delicious but also packed with wholesome goodness. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 3 cups of wheat flour, 2 spoons of jeera, cumin seeds, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of hing, asafoetida, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil. The first step is crucial. We are going to make our wheat flour soft and fluffy. Place 3 cups of wheat flour in a dry cloth and steam it. This will not only soften the flour but also remove any excess moisture. Steaming is key here, as it ensures our murukku turns out perfect. The flour should be soft, not rough. Let's move on to the next step. Once steamed, transfer the wheat flour to a blender jar and grind it back to powder. This ensures a smooth and consistent texture for our murukku. Now, in a mixing bowl, let's add our ground wheat flour. To that, add 2 spoons of jeera, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of hing, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, and finally, 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil. Time to get our hands in there. Knead the mixture until everything is well combined and the dough becomes soft and pliable. Before you transfer the dough into a murukku maker, make sure you grease it with some oil to avoid stickiness. Now, transfer the dough into a murukku maker. Onto a dry cloth, make swirls with the murukku maker to ensure they don't stick to each other. Making murukku with family is fun. Teaching kids to make murukku will teach them to bond with your elders and gives them a fresh perspective to avoid or reduce screen time. Cooking together fosters bonding and provides an opportunity for quality family time. It's a chance to communicate, share stories, and have fun together. Cooking is an essential life skill. Involving children in the process teaches them valuable lessons about food preparation, safety in the kitchen, and the importance of healthy eating. Cooking involves various educational aspects like measuring ingredients, understanding fractions, and learning about different food items and their properties. Preparing traditional dishes like murukku can help pass down cultural heritage and traditions to the next generation. It's a way to connect with one's roots. Cooking allows room for creativity. Children can experiment with different shapes and sizes of murukku, adding their unique touch to the process. When children are involved in the cooking process, they tend to be more interested in trying new foods and are more likely to eat what they've helped prepare, which promotes a balanced diet. Cooking together requires cooperation and teamwork. Assigning tasks and working together towards a common goal can teach valuable skills in collaboration. Cooking engages the senses from touching and smelling ingredients to tasting the final product. This sensory experience can be educational and enjoyable for children. Activities like kneading the dough and using the murukku maker involve fine motor skills. This can be especially beneficial for younger children.
That's fun, right?
Funner than taking the video.
In a frying pan, heat up some vegetable oil or sunflower oil. Carefully drop in the murukku one by one, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Make sure the oil is medium heated and not overheated. The murukkus must be fried under medium heat. Assigning tasks in the kitchen, like measuring ingredients or monitoring the frying process, teaches responsibility and accountability. Cooking together can create cherished memories that children will carry with them into adulthood. They may associate certain dishes with positive family experiences. When children are involved in the cooking process, they gain a greater appreciation for the effort that goes into preparing a meal and are less likely to take food for granted. Overall, making murukku with family and children is a wonderful way to create lasting memories while imparting important life skills and values. It's a fun and educational activity that can be enjoyed by everyone involved. And there you have it, our tasty and healthy wheat murukku is ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!